Clean is healthy. Desire's feminine wipes and Swiss Navy's toy and body cleaner wipes are designed for your intimate hygienic cleaning. They're delicate and effective on your intimate skin and your pleasure products. Their formulas are dermatologically tested, and both wipes include tea tree oil, which has been used traditionally as a topical antiseptic and an antibacterial antifungal treatment. They also both include lavender, which research has found to have antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, as well as that arousing aroma. And the handy pack design makes them very convenient when you're on the go. So you simply open, remove, wipe as desired, and know that these wipes are safe to use on plastic, vinyl, latex, acrylic, glass, rubber, silicone, and your body. So remember, your body is your temple, and cherish it with a wipe specially made to keep your skin and your sex toys refreshingly clean. With Desire's feminine wipes and Swiss Navy's toy and body cleaner wipes, you're ready for pure, clean fun.